Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is David. I am 41 years old. I live in the UK, south of England. Basically, I would like to talk about my hair transplant process 9 months ago. It was the Clinicana. As you can see, the result has been great, has been awesome. I am really satisfied with everything about my hair transplant, so that I would like to tell you about my experience. It was basically 4 day experience. Everything started just by me. After watching one of these videos in this website, I immediately got in touch with Clinicana, just asking about the process, about the price, how much it costs, how long does it take, that curiosity you have at the really beginning of this process. And after that, one customer assistant, in my case that was Ellie, they called me back. They basically provided me with a form to fill in, asking normal stuff, normal questions about your health, your health history, diseases you have had over your life. Simple questions. How old are you? Do you smoke? Any illness? Then they will explain you about the whole process, about the days you need to be there, and went to Istanbul, Turkey. Before arriving at the airport, the day before, I received a message. I received a picture, the instructions, a meeting point within the airport, everything well described in a message, so that it was so easy for me just to arrive there. I just needed to follow the instructions, and at the end just needed to look at the picture of the driver, and then I was able to find the person easily. This was in my very first day. The driver immediately took me to Clinicana first of all. And at Clinicana, of course, I needed to fill in a form with my whole history, where are you from, medical history as well, my passport. Yes, after that, the driver took me from Clinicana to the hotel. I could spend the night in the hotel. It's a really nice hotel, to be honest, really good, really nice. Facilities, gym, swimming pool, everything you need to have a good stay at Istanbul. The second day, the driver as well pick you up from the hotel and take you to Clinicana. At Clinicana, basically you will have an assessment. The surgeon will have a look at your scalp, will analyze exactly what kind of procedure you need, your particular case. He will propose the solution. He will tell you exactly how the result is gonna be, and what you could expect and what you cannot expect from that procedure. They are really honest. The main concern before going through this process was basically people really prepared to take me through this process. I immediately realized that I was in good hands. I didn't waste my time, and I was in the right place to do this. And that was on the second day, and you will spend the night in the hotel. On the third day, you will receive a blood test from the day you arrived, a COVID test, a biochemical test. Is so important for everyone to be safe. Yes, after receiving the chemical test and the blood test results, the operation itself, basically the first thing they do is anesthesia. You will have some injections with anesthesia around your head, so that they can prevent you to go through to pain, basically. Yes, the first step was graft extraction. They will take the graft out of your scalp. That will take between 2 and 3 hours. The second step will be the channel opening. Uncomfortable, You will not feel any pain at all, to be honest. You will even have lunch. They provide you with a really nice lunch. After that, the last part of the process will be the graft placement. All of those grafts taken out of your scalp will be placed on the part of your head. Basically, you need the hair. On the fourth day, the last day, is the day you are going back home. Basically, you will have a medical checkup. They will see how did you spend the night, how was everything, what did you feel, how did you sleep, medical checkup. Also, they will explain you how to wash up your head, what to do and what not to do in order to succeed with the whole process. They will provide you with a specialized shampoo, a special serum to cicatrize your scalp. And yes, finally they will take you at the airport just for you to fly back home. I highly recommend you to choose them because first of all, they are really good professionals. They are really good skilled. They have a lot of experience operating people around the world, and this is not something new for them. Used to operating people every single day. If you want to succeed with this process, I highly recommend you to choose Clinicana because they know what they are doing in terms of hair transplant. Thank you very much, and yes, good luck with that. You can see my result, and yes, thank you. Bye.